Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm just arrived to the Seminyak 666 beach area, and it's two things, good thing and bad thing. Good thing is, as I arrive here safely, obviously, so it's very good thing. Bad thing is, this is very super extremely windy and rainy. Maybe it's not very rainy, but it's rainy. That's the struggle. It's quite complicated to make a vlog, so I will try to make anyway, maybe with umbrella and cover my camera or something, and if it will be windy in the background, I'm so sorry about that. Sorry for the worse quality than usual. Level 6 beach hotel is open. That's very good. I will try to make a few snaps. So yeah, that's how it looks, the area, the parking area. This is the hotel, 666 Beach Hotel. Yeah, officially the rainy, windy season started. Well, actually, as you saw, my previous video is already started, but that was in mountains. Here, even in the Seminyak, I will go to La Plancha. I wanna have a Bintang, I hope so. It's not gonna be big rain, no, it's not yet. Anyway, it's still very hot. Some tourists in the hotel. Yeah, as you can see. So it's definitely much more alive, and I was here last time doing the vlog in this area. Yeah, we will see how it looks in the La Plancha. I think it's gonna be busy anyway, even if the bad weather is still probably gonna be kinda busy. Okay, heading straight forward into La Plancha. We'll have a Bintang there. There is music always, so I cannot talk there. However, it's 5 p.m. and the situation looks like this. Yeah. Just arrived to the car, already wet. I carry the camera under my t-shirt. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, in La Plancha was quite, maybe not quite many people, but was like not so empty, not so busy. Quite loads of local domestic tourists. Unfortunately, not many sexy girls to show you. However, I do my best. I'm so sorry, guys, fellas. Next time, quite difficult nowadays. have to forgive me. I'm doing my best, okay? Anyway, as you can see, it's quite many buses, like mini buses like Toyota Hiace. Those buses are for about 16 people plus driver or 15 plus driver, doesn't matter. Mini buses, they coming from different islands of Indonesia, so tourism is improving, especially now. It's December, it's already middle of December, it's close to Christmas, so it's the holiday festive season time. It's getting more busier and busier, and that will be that's it about the updates from Seminyak. It's very heavy rainy right now. I want to talk about a few things. First thing, I want to talk about my bracelet. Quite many people asking about that. So this is my bracelet. As you can see, this is custom made bracelet. It's 55 grams of pure silver. I make it using the 999.9 silver. Bracelet is about custom made into my size on my wrist, about 21.5 centimeters long. 55 grams, and now it's 925 due to you cannot make the silver jewelry pure 999. That's how it look like. So bracelet looks like this, and it's also not really a circle shape, it's more likely little bit oval and flat. That's custom made by one guy, very young guy in Ubud. He have like a small workshop in his own house. I don't remember how much it cost me, cause I paid only him for time. He make it in 2 weeks, so it took actually quite long time, but it's quite difficult to make it, obviously. Yeah, I'm using this bracelet for 3 years and I didn't got any problems. Anyways, it's made from silver. It's not perfect, it's not 100% like exactly every single part is the same, because this is made by human hands and this is custom made for me. Even if it's not really 100% like each part is exactly the same, it's better, because if you're gonna go to delivery shop, it's gonna be like perfect. That's not the point for me. These bracelets in this size and this weight of 55-60 grams, they are approximately worth about 3 up to 5 millions, depends where you buy. However, I never ever saw exactly the same bracelets like this one. I saw similars, but never exactly the same. If you would like to have one, I still have a lot of silver, so if you would like to have one like this, custom made exactly with your size and everything, details, comment below, contact me on the email, also email in the description. Maybe we can figure out how to organize something. Yeah, also another small Q&A today. Few people ask me about situation in Bali right now, because there's so many rumors as the international airport in Bali it's open or will be open. Actually, to be honest, I'm not sure if it's open 100%. In last month I used to travel to Lombok, and when I passed the international terminal was closed. Obviously, I'm not sure if it's open. However, even if it's open or will be open, not much is gonna change. The borders of Indonesia is still closed, so basically if you are tourists willing to come to Bali, you're not gonna receive the free visa on arrival. Yeah, after that, about traveling, I have a few friends who are living in Bangkok and in Phuket in Thailand, And as I know from them and from other YouTubers, actually is also one YouTuber who I follow in Thailand. He's in Bangkok. Actually, he's kind of like me, but he's already older, much older, doesn't really matter. And as I know from them, that Thailand is open right now for every nation who would like to come to Thailand, even Indonesian, or doesn't matter, any country around the world you can go to Indonesia, to Thailand, but you will have to quarantine for 2 weeks in dedicated by the local Thai government hotel, which is not the cheapest party, to be honest. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it's something around 2 or 2.5 thousand US dollars. Anyway, you have to be ready and prepared for 2 weeks of quarantine. Also, a quite interesting fact is, as the countries who you can travel very easily right now is Turkey and Mexico, and of course few other countries, you know, like Zanzibar, Tanzania, and few others, but the famous countries, popular tourist destination, is definitely Mexico and Turkey. And quite many big famous influencers, Instagrammers, YouTubers like me, but famous one, I'm just a small YouTuber, doesn't matter, but like a big one who have lots of big subscribers count, they are right now mostly in Mexico, in Tulum and other famous Mexican destinations, also in Turkey, because to these countries, if you wanna go, you just go, simply buy ticket, go. Also, one very interesting thing I read yesterday, and some press or some Instagram, or actually I don't remember where, that was some kind of like a sky scanner or Traveloka or something like this, like a travel search engine company, something like this, as that was about the Americans. As the Americans people, obviously they are looking for holiday destination in 2021 by the search engine of this website and Google search. You can actually obtain the information like this. This is public, especially in Google. As Bali, like Bali Island, Bali destination is number 20 in the USA. So obviously number 20, that means still a lot of people are interested to come to Bali next year. However, number 20, it's not really like 100% number top 3. And for example, in top 3, it's still Phuket in Thailand and Bangkok, or at least one of these destinations. I'm not gonna lie now which one. So yeah, that's how it look. Anyway, for any Australian people mostly who watching us, our audience is more than one quarter, actually more than 33% of audience is coming from Australia. And as I will know, you can comment below for sure whenever everything will be possible. No, there will be no quarantines and travel bans. You will possibly come to Bali, and you're missing Bali a lot. So that's how it look. Obviously, United States, American people have a different destinations closer, even Mexico or Hawaii. Actually, Hawaii is very expensive, but yeah, yeah, that's how it look like. Alright guys, it's still raining and it's going to be dark soon. Actually, it's already almost 6. Now it's sunset about 6:25 or something like this. However, today will be definitely no sunset, and yeah, not much I can do. Actually, my plan was to have a Bintang beer, my Bintang Radler, orange, quite difficult to get, but I got this here, and make like a beautiful shot when I hold in my arm, in my hand, with my bracelet, and holding like a Bintang with the sunset, and make a shot, because somebody suggests me to, as you should do it whenever you're watching sunset with the Bintang, you should do it and say cheers into your audience, like to you guys. Cheers guys. However, in current condition was not possible. Hopefully I can do it next time, maybe tomorrow or any other day. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. That was a little bit update and situation how it looks in Seminyak, also the La Plancha, which is a famous place in 66 Seminyak. Also few probably informative things, informations what I provide you today. I hope so you enjoyed, and like always, new vlog is every single day at 4 p.m. that's the new time, 4 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. Thank you and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.